मोपा आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळार प्रवाशांच्या संख्येत विक्रमी वाढ जायत आसा. जुलय ते सप्टेंबर ह्या काळात मोपा विमानतळार सुमार 11.3 लाख प्रवाशांक हाताळले आणि आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानात 18.4% वाढ जाल्या. मोपा विमानतळार एप्रिल ते सप्टेंबर मजगती प्रवाशांमदी 8% वाढ नोंद जाल्या. हाचे उलट पळोवंक गेल्यार दाबोळी आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळार ह्याच काळात देशांतर्गत आणि आंतरराष्ट्रीय धरून 12% देंवल्या. सध्या मोपा विमानतळ राज्यातल्या वट्ट 46% हवाई प्रवाशांक हाताळटा.
Passenger footfalls regarding this, there is not much of decline. The flights have decreased, however, we are still maintaining around, say, 110 movements per day, that is like 55 flights, and average passengers is 10,500 or 10,000 passengers per day. So that has not decreased. However, the number of flights, especially with regard to the international flights, has decreased, vis-a-vis the revenue has decreased. Like I just said, we are open to bringing them back with better services, and we are already also like to reach out to them. We will try that also in case. That is too early for me to say. I've just joined, but I would love to reach out to them. The main constraint what I see is the morning slot has to be made available. Any person planning to go from one city to other and trying to return back also will prefer these morning slots, which probably here there is no time for that. This is one area where we need to see how we can work it out.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रिशांक महात्मे आणि विक्रम नाईक.